full-time meal this week is mushroom melt toastie. The ingredients you're gonna need is bread, egg, onion, spinach, frozen, mushrooms, grated cheese, and some spread. And the kitchen kit you're gonna need is flipper, wooden spoon, frying pan, saucepan, grater with the fine side on, bowl, standard knife, chopping knife. I don't think you need a knife.
You're not gonna chop the onion? You're gonna grate it?
You do need the knife, we're gonna chop an onion. Pan, heat on, kettle, boiled. Hot water into the hot pan. Put the egg into the pan. Timer on for 8 minutes. Someone got a timer on or do I need to do it on my phone?
I can do it.
All right, because we're gonna do some hard-ish boiled eggs. Well, that might be a whole new thing. Everyone goes, oh, I like a soft boiled egg or a hard boiled egg. Well, how about hard-ish boiled eggs? 8 minutes. Whilst that's on, I'm gonna chop up half an onion, all right? Knife through the lines. Frying pan onto the heat. Little splash of veg oil. Then put the diced onion into the pan. Chop up your mushrooms. And you don't want to use the stalks, all right? Cut it into slices and then into cubes. They act like sponges, so they start to soak up some of that lovely onion flavour. Is that 8-minute timer?
Yeah.
8-minute timer. Take the egg, stick it in a bowl, take it over to the sink. In the cold water to run for about 2 or 3 minutes. So the next thing to go in, defrosted blocks of spinach. Just kind of break it up into our mushroom and onion mix. Now, give it a stir around, turn the heat off, and get your egg. I'm gonna give it a little tap on the board, and then roll it. And then you can just kind of like gently peel it. And you're left with a lovely boiled egg. Now, we're gonna grate the egg nice and gently. This is gonna be the thing that binds our spinach and our mushroom together. You can lift that up, stick that into a bowl. Get your spinach and mushroom mix, pour it in. Now we need the melt bit to go in our mushroom melt toastie. I'm gonna put a small handful of grated mozzarella in, mix it all up. So this filling is enough to make 2 sandwiches, all right? Which means you need 4 pieces of bread. Here, I'm using Hovis, best of both. Get your butter and give the bread a nice, even coating. So, put the first 2 pieces of bread, butter side down, into the pan. I'm gonna build a sandwich in the pan. Put it into the middle of the sandwich. And then with your knife, just kind of even it all out, all the way to the edges. Then come back to the other 2 pieces of bread, butter side up, that goes on as the lid. I'm gonna cook it for 5 or 6 minutes.
Go, mate.
Thanks, mate. Marcus mug full of coffee. Get your lifter in. Just gonna flip the sandwich over. The same with the other piece. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, there isn't anything else we can do whilst that's cooking. You could watch a bit of telly, look at your phone. You could put all of those sorts of shots in, however, there is no point, because we're just gonna cut to the finished one. Ooh, the stringy mozzarella. It is hot though. How was that? Why don't you show me how you got along using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and visit the page where there's loads more recipes.